Imagine your online life as your house, filled with valuables like photos, messages, and bank details. Every day, you unlock the door to this digital home, trusting that your memories, conversations, and financial information are safe inside. But just like in the real world, not everyone who passes by has good intentions. The internet is a massive neighborhood. Most people are harmless, but some are looking for unlocked doors. With billions of people online, it's easy to forget how many strangers can potentially peek inside your digital windows. Every login is like opening your digital front door, and every bit of info you share is a piece of a puzzle. Even small details, like your birthday or pet's name, can help someone piece together your identity. If someone with bad intentions gets enough pieces, they can impersonate you or access your accounts. The consequences can be serious: identity theft, drained bank accounts, or even losing access to your own memories. Protecting your digital life is as crucial as locking your real front door. It's about keeping your private world private and making sure only trusted people have access. Many digital locks, our passwords, are easy to pick, and hackers are always searching for weak spots. Sometimes we make it easier for them by reusing passwords or choosing ones that are simple to guess. Ethical hacking flips the script. To defend your house, you need to think like a burglar. By understanding how attackers operate, you can better protect yourself. By testing your own defenses, you can find and fix vulnerabilities before attackers do. This means regularly updating your security, using strong passwords, and staying alert to new threats. This proactive mindset is the core of modern cybersecurity. It's not just about reacting to threats, but anticipating them and staying one step ahead. It's how we turn our digital homes into fortresses, keeping our information safe and giving ourselves peace of mind in an ever-connected world. To check for weak spots in your digital defenses, you need the right toolkit. Enter Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system like Windows or Mac OS, but built for security experts. It's a digital Swiss Army knife, packed with hundreds of security tools ready to use. Instead of hunting down each tool, Kali Linux gives you everything in one organized package. It's open source, so experts worldwide constantly improve and secure it. Kali Linux is tailored for penetration testing, ethically hacking systems to find and fix flaws. It's the go-to platform for anyone wanting to learn digital defense. You don't need to be a genius. Kali Linux is a powerful, accessible training ground. It's your launchpad for becoming a cybersecurity hero. Kali Linux is the ultimate toolkit for ethical hackers, mainly used for penetration testing. Companies hire ethical hackers to break into their systems, legally, to find weaknesses before real attackers do. Using Kali Linux, testers probe websites and networks for vulnerabilities, simulating real attacks in a safe way. They report their findings so companies can patch up security holes. Kali Linux is also used to audit password strength, revealing if users rely on weak, common passwords. These tools help enforce stronger security policies and educate users. It's a hands-on playground for learning how attacks work and how to stop them. By understanding the attacker's methods, you become a stronger defender. Let's peek inside Kali Linux's toolkit and explore 3 essential tools that every cybersecurity professional should know. These tools are the foundation of many penetration testing strategies, and understanding how they work can give you a real edge in the world of ethical hacking. First up is Nmap. Nmap is a powerful network scanner that maps out open ports. Think of these as digital doors and windows into a system. By scanning a network, Nmap helps you discover which services are running and where potential vulnerabilities might exist. Nmap essentially gives you a detailed blueprint of a system's defenses, showing where attackers might try to get in. It's like having a map of a building before planning a security check, crucial for both offense and defense. Next, let's talk about Hydra. Hydra is a brute force password cracker that can try thousands of password combinations in just seconds. It's designed to test the strength of login credentials on a variety of services, from websites to remote desktops. Ethical hackers use Hydra to demonstrate how quickly weak passwords can be guessed, highlighting the importance of strong, unique passwords for every account. It's a wake-up call for companies to enforce stronger password policies and educate employees about the risks of reusing passwords or choosing simple ones. Finally, there's Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a comprehensive tool for web application security testing. It intercepts and analyzes traffic between your browser and a website, allowing you to see exactly what data is being sent and received. With Burp Suite, you can inspect and even modify data in transit, revealing hidden flaws in how websites handle information. This makes it invaluable for finding vulnerabilities like insecure cookies, hidden form fields, or weak authentication. These tools help ethical hackers find vulnerabilities before criminals do, giving organizations a chance to fix issues proactively. Think of it this way: Nmap maps the terrain, Hydra tests the locks, and Burp Suite checks the conversations happening inside. Together, they form the backbone of digital defense, working in harmony to protect systems from every angle. Learning to use them is like mastering the gadgets of a digital superhero. Each tool has its own strengths, and together, they make you a formidable defender in cyberspace. With these tools in your arsenal, you can spot weaknesses, help fix them, and make the digital world a safer place for everyone. That's the heart of ethical hacking, using knowledge and tools to protect, not exploit. Passwords are often the weakest link in security. Even the best defenses fail if your password is 123456 or password. Hackers use massive lists of common passwords to break in. Why pick a lock when you can just guess the code? Tools like Hydra automate this, trying thousands of passwords per minute. If you reuse the same weak password across sites, one breach can compromise everything. This is called credential stuffing, and it's a leading cause of account takeovers. A single weak password can topple your entire digital life. Strong, unique passwords are your first line of defense. So how does Kali Linux help find weak passwords? It's not about spying. It's about testing password strength using hashes, not the actual passwords. Websites store passwords as hashes, scrambled strings that can't be easily reversed. Tools like John the Ripper and Hashcat, included in Kali Linux, try to match common passwords to these hashes. If a match is found, the password is cracked. Ethical hackers use this to show companies which passwords are dangerously weak. These tools can also try every possible combination or smart variations of common passwords. Demonstrating how quickly passwords can be cracked proves the need for stronger policies. It turns password security from theory into urgent reality. That's the power of password auditing. Now, how can you protect yourself in today's digital world, where threats are always evolving? Start with strong, unique passwords for every account, at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information or common words, and never reuse passwords across different sites. Don't try to remember them all. Use a password manager, a secure vault that stores and generates strong passwords for you. This way, you only need to remember one master password, and the rest are handled safely. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. It's like adding a second lock on your digital door, making it much harder for intruders to break in. Even if someone manages to steal your password, they can't get in without your phone, fingerprint, or another verification method. This extra step is a powerful barrier. Be skeptical of unexpected emails or messages. Phishing is a common trick to steal your info. If something feels off, it probably is, so always double-check before responding. Never click suspicious links. Always go directly to official websites by typing the address yourself. This simple habit can prevent many cyber attacks. These simple habits make you a much harder target for cybercriminals, reducing your risk of falling victim to scams or hacks. Good security isn't about paranoia. It's about smart, consistent habits that become second nature over time. With just a few changes to your routine, you can dramatically boost your online safety and protect your personal information. Stay alert, stay updated on the latest threats, and don't underestimate the basics. Sometimes the simplest steps are the most effective. Your digital life is worth protecting, so take these steps seriously and make online safety a priority every day. You don't need to be a pro to benefit from Kali Linux. Learning its basics is like digital self-defense, just enough to spot danger and protect yourself. Understanding how hackers operate transforms security advice into real personal motivation. You'll see why strong passwords and secure settings matter. This knowledge lets you help friends and family too, spotting phishing, setting up password managers, and securing home networks. You don't have to be a full-time hacker. Practicing on your own devices or safe platforms is enough. Learning these tools replaces fear with confidence. In a tech-driven world, these skills are invaluable. By taking the first step, you're already safer and smarter online. We've covered why web security matters, and how tools like Kali Linux help defend your digital life. Anyone can build strong defenses. Start with password managers and 2FA and grow from there. Every expert began as a beginner. Curiosity is your best tool. Kali Linux isn't just for pros, it's an open invitation to explore and learn. Try setting it up in a virtual machine and experiment safely. Each small step builds your confidence and skills. You now understand the risks and your power to protect yourself and others. Whether you go pro or just want to be safer online, the principles are the same. Stay curious, keep learning, and strengthen your digital armor. With the right knowledge, you can explore the internet with confidence and safety.